Hey guys, this is part 3. Railfanning, Rosenberg Texas, part 3. It's definitely raining. There it goes, part 3. I do not know what was it, could be like first gen, second gen, or third gen K5. So, thanks for, alright. That's the end of that's the end of Trains in Rosenberg. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and add comments below and click like. Bye. Hold on. Did I just want to make sure if I zoom in, so I'll just zoom out to fix it. So bye. Subscribe, add comments, and click like. Goodbye. Amtrak fan out. Goodbye. Yeah, let's go home.